Alright gents, how's it going? So today we're just doing a quick video on what I think are the two best mods you can do for any motorbike, and they are the tail tidy and the exhaust. So as you can see, this is completely stock at the moment. We've got this huge thing sticking off the end, and we just got the standard exhaust on it, which is a big thing here. So I'm going to get both of them sorted, and I'm going to show you how I've done it in this video. I'm looking to get the Akrapovic exhaust on, and I'm also going to try and get rid of this huge resonating chamber underneath. I'm not sure if you can see that from there, but there's a big resonating chamber in there which kind of quietens down the whole sound of the bike. And we're getting the R&G tail tidy as well, and some aftermarket indicators. So let's hop on the bike and I'll tell you a bit more about it. Alright, so the first thing we're going to get sorted is the exhaust. Just need to try and find this dealer because they've got all the parts, and then we'll have a look at getting that sorted. I've also got the Akrapovic link pipe, which is going to get rid of that big resonating chambers, as I was just saying. So yeah, it should be exciting to see. Here we go. So this is the end can. Still got that in. Need to take that out at some point, but yeah. It's crazy. Alright gents, here we go. Exhaust has just been fitted. Still got the decibel killer in, but we got rid of the big cat at the bottom, so it's time to test out this beast with the quick shifter. Oh my god. Feels like a different beast. You can actually hear it now. That's what it's about. Right, it's time to get this tail tidy sorted. This is the place we need to be. In the workshop. Where are we? We're at Rob SCM. So we've managed to get the main bit off. Take it. What's this called? Servo motor.
You can edit it, can't you? That's the servo.
Yeah, that's come out. Undo these 4 screws. That whole bit's come off there. And where's the next bit? This is what we're putting on. Alright, we've got this on now, looking a lot better. And bright enough. Looks a lot tidier. And connecting all the wiring up. Get all this sorted. Alright guys, so don't really think I've shown this properly now. We've got the mods on, but let's just have a look at what we've got. So we've got obviously the Acra on there now, which is very nice, designed for the Ninja ZX6R. We've got rid of that huge cat at the bottom, that big box, so that's a straight link pipe now. And the only thing left to do is take the decibel killer out, which has proven to be a little more difficult than we thought, but we will get it sorted eventually. Also the R&G tail tidy's got on, looks so much better this back end. Go on then, I'll just have to do a bit of blurring in post-production, but that's what that looks like there. Nice and tidy, as you can see. Just makes the whole back end look a lot better than before when it was sticking out a mile. So yeah, in terms of initial mods, I think that's all we're really looking at doing, is the exhaust and the tail tidy. So once I get the decibel killer out, I will do a proper full video on what the exhaust sounds like, but I'll give you a little sample now just so you can see what it sounds like. Alright gents, so there you go. Quick look at the two best mods you can do for any motorbike. The exhaust, tail tidy, get it looking tidy, get it sounding good. And yeah, now we can just enjoy the beast. Let's get out of this little place that we're in now. See if we can practice our U-turns. Been a while lads, been a while. How are we getting out of here? I think we've got to go back over this wacky thing. Whoa. Bit of crazy off-road in here. Close to these trees. But yeah man, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this crazy little video. I've got a few good things coming up actually. Test rode the Zero electric bikes, which are just crazy powerful. So that should be coming out soon. And there's also a motovlogger meetup happening soon. A few guys from down south coming up, so that should be good. But yeah, apart from that, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, peace.
Yeah.